In today's video, I'm going to teach you a great side body stretch. It stretches the entire kinetic chain, it's very useful, it feels very good on the body. So what you need to do is stand next to a railing or maybe a countertop or back of a sofa so you can hold on to something. Stand with your feet in a staggered stance. The foot that's closest to the ballet bar is forward and my other foot is back. Then I'm holding on to the ballet bar, I'm going to raise my arm and I'm just going to push myself away a little bit from that bar. In the same time, I'm reaching over my head, so I'm opening up the muscles underneath my armpit, covering my side body. I'm also opening up the muscles in my lower back. I'm stretching my oblique abdominals. I'm stretching my hip flexors, and I'm even stretching the muscles on the outside of my lower leg. So I'm reaching over my head and I'm just trying to get as much elongation in my side body as I can. I recommend that you start doing this stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds at a time and just gradually build it up to 1 minute.